The DF-31AG, sometimes also referred to as the DF-31B, represents one of the most important upgrades within China's Road Mobile Intercontinental Ballistic Missile Arsenal, and by 2026 it has become the backbone of the People's Liberation Army Rocket Force's medium-weight deterrent force. Unveiled publicly in 2017, the system was a significant evolution of the DF-31A, with the AG designation understood to mean an improved version of the earlier missile. The missile itself remains a single warhead design with an estimated intercontinental range of around 11,000 to 11,700 kilometers, sufficient to cover much of the continental United States, Europe, Russia, and India. What distinguishes this system from its predecessor, however, is not a radical change in the missile body but rather the development of its transporter-erector-launcher, the massive 8-axle off-road vehicle that gives the DF-31AG a leap in survivability and deployment flexibility. Where the earlier DF-31A required more support equipment and was largely restricted to prepared roads and launch pads, the DF-31AG can be dispersed into forested areas, rugged terrain, and other concealed environments where detection and tracking are far more difficult. This ability to operate on unpaved ground dramatically complicates adversary surveillance and targeting, allowing Chinese strategic forces to maintain a credible second strike capability even in the face of an opponent's preemptive strike. The TEL's improved ruggedness and reduced dependence on auxiliary vehicles also allow missile brigades to move faster, disperse more widely, and remain in the field longer without being tied to fixed bases. In an age where space-based reconnaissance and precision strike weapons are increasingly capable, such mobility is essential to ensuring the survival of China's deterrent. Deployment patterns further underline its significance. By 2020 China had fielded around 3 brigades of DF-31AG, equating to roughly 36 launchers, with bases spread across provinces such as Lanzhou, Hunan, and Hainan. Analysts now assess that by 2026 the DF-31AG has largely replaced the older DF-31A entirely, leaving the improved variant as the primary road mobile component of the force. While China continues to expand its more advanced DF-41 brigades, which can carry multiple warheads, the DF-31AG still provides a stable and reliable platform that complements the heavier system. Its continued production and deployment indicate a deliberate strategy of maintaining layered deterrence options across different missile classes. A dramatic demonstration of its capability came in September 2024, when China conducted a rare intercontinental test launch of a DF-31AG from Hainan Island, firing into the South Pacific over a distance of nearly 11,700 kilometers. This marked the first time since the 1980s that a Chinese ICBM had been launched into international waters. The unusual test site highlighted the system's flexibility and the advantages of mobile basing. The missile employed a cold launch method, where gas pressure ejects it from the canister before ignition, further complicating adversary efforts to geolocate launch positions. This test sent a clear message regarding both the credibility of China's nuclear reach and the operational readiness of its mobile ICBM brigades. By 2026, therefore, the DF-31AG is entrenched as a cornerstone of China's nuclear posture. It combines proven missile technology with modern mobility, allowing Beijing to project assured retaliation while steadily modernizing its deterrent alongside the more advanced DF-41. Its survival-oriented design, long range, and field-tested mobility underscore China's emphasis on maintaining a secure second strike force in the evolving strategic environment.